Is it right? When we move fast, we make mistakes. And when AI helps us build fast, it can help us make mistakes at scale. This is where we introduce the AI validator workflow. Usually, we think of AI as a creator, writing text, drafting emails, and writing code. But the reasoning engine is actually much better at being an auditor. It doesn't get tired, it doesn't get bored, and it spots patterns that the human eye glosses over after a long day. Now we are going to use AI to perform data reconciliation and semantic validation. The challenge: month end at Bean and Basket. Let's go to our Bean and Basket case study. Imagine it is month end. Here we have the financial model for the Q4 sales volume. It has 3 scenarios including base, upside, and downside projections for sales and subsequent revenue. On the other side, we have a raw CSV export from the point of sale system, which shows real numbers for Q4. In the AI-assisted workflow, we stop acting like a database and start acting like an investigator. The AI reconciliation. Let's take the Excel model and the raw POS export and upload both of them into the reasoning engine using ChatGPT's data analysis tool. At this stage, we will not format the dates or clean the headers because AI can read through the mess as long as the terminology is consistent. Type this prompt. I have uploaded 2 datasets. One is sales model and the other is POS data for Q4 2025. Compare the gross revenue for each product by region. Identify any variances larger than $100 and list them in a comparative table showing specific delta. The AI scans through the files in seconds. It comes back with a finding that only Mid-Atlantic cappuccino breaches the $100 threshold. Below, we find what usually takes hours of back and forth efforts, a reconciliation table showing volume and revenue delta. AI has summed up the findings in this table using exactly where our forecast went wrong. The sales number for Mid-Atlantic was over-forecasted for all products. The trick here is to understand the insights by the reasoning engine and apply them to recalibrate our model. By taking account the over-forecast severities and scaling factors, we can list the required edits in our sales model. The reasoning engine concludes the analysis with a list of potential root causes which point us into the right direction for further investigation. Going deeper, semantic validation. Now, let's do something Excel simply cannot do. Excel is great at math, but it is bad at meaning. Excel doesn't know what an espresso machine is. It just knows it costs $5,000. But the reasoning engine knows. Let's say a junior accountant accidentally booked espresso machine under office supplies instead of capital assets. In Excel, this error is invisible. The math balances, the ledger is clean, but your OPEX is overstated and your depreciation is understated. Let's ask the AI to catch this. I upload my general ledger detail into the reasoning engine and type, review the transaction description column and compare it to the GL category column. Flag any entries that appear to be misclassified based on standard accounting principles. The AI comes back with detailed findings, including a flagged list of transactions where the written description doesn't logically align with the assigned GL category. Look right here on the screen. The AI has generated a review table that places the transaction description, the current GL category, and a suggested corrected category side by side so we can validate the ledger quickly instead of scanning every row manually. Now we use this flag list as the data validation checkpoint before reporting or analysis. By using the AI as an auditor, we have done 2 things. Number 1, faster reconciliation. We automated the boring math of reconciliation. Number 2, safer reporting. We added a layer of semantic safety that Excel alone could never provide.
Are you happy with this training? Make sure to subscribe for more great content. Visit the Simon Says It channel. Explore our videos and training sessions and decide what you want to learn next.